guys, my name is Zakara. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this Eid glam. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. So to start off with, I am tying up my hair back away from my face so that I can do my makeup properly. So to prep my skin, I'm gonna start off with the Iba Photo Perfect HD Face Primer. Now this is a gel based primer and it completely smoothens your skin, it mattifies it, and it also fills in all the pores and fine lines so that your makeup really sits in well on your skin and it also lasts longer. So I'm applying all over my face, especially where I have large pores. And for my foundation, I'm going to use the Fix and Click foundation stick in the shade Ivory from Seri. This stick foundation gives sheer to medium coverage. And what I love about this foundation is that it is really creamy to apply and it's very easy to blend also. So this is something that would be great if you have combinational or dry skin, because sometimes on dry skin makeup gets really patchy near the nose area, near the mouth. So this is something which will hydrate and will give a really flawless finish to your base. Now I'm using a beauty blender to blend all this foundation into my skin. You can also use a makeup brush, but I think beauty blender works better if you are going for a natural finish. So you want to take your time to blend the foundation. This will ensure that your base makeup is really even. I'm using whatever's left on my beauty blender near my eyelids and on my eyelids also. Now you also want to apply the foundation on your neck and ears. Don't forget that, because in case your neck and face does not match, it does not look that good. So yeah, next I'm using the Maybelline concealer. It is in the shade Light and I'm applying it under my eyes, on my nose, on my cupid's bow, a little bit on my forehead and chin. And this will really help highlight your features. It's a decent concealer to highlight, but if you want to conceal your dark circles or pigmentation, you might want to use a peach or orange corrector first before applying the concealer. And now using a small beauty blender again from Miniso, I'm going to blend all the concealer, and I'm only focusing where I have already put the concealer and just pressing the concealer into the skin. You don't want to over blend it, just blend it enough so that everything looks seamless. Now to set everything in place, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Medium Light. Now this shade is a little bit darker for me, but I also add a little bit of translucent powder in it to make the color a little bit lighter for me. But if you are exactly my shade, then you might want to go a shade lighter in this one. Now I'm using the loose powder all over my face. I have an oily T-zone, so I'm going to focus more on my T-zone and then apply the rest of the powder all over my face. Now let's get started with the eye makeup. I am brushing all my eyebrow hairs upwards using a spoolie, and then I'm filling in all the sparse areas of my eyebrows and shaping them a little bit using a brown color eyeshadow. And now I'm just cleaning the shape of the eyebrows using a concealer and a flat tapered brush. Doing this really gives a nice shape to the eyebrows, and it also gives a really clean look to your eye makeup. Now I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Also applying the same concealer on my eyelids. This is to create an even base for our eye makeup. You can also use an eyeshadow primer, but a concealer also works fine for this purpose. Okay, now finally starting with our eye makeup, I'm gonna use the Mercury Retrograde palette by the Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna use this shade on the outer crease of my eyes. Now I'm just blending it out on my outer V of the eyes, and this is to make the eye look more softer. You need to blend it properly, but make sure you don't over blend it, otherwise your eye makeup can start looking a little bit gray. Now using both of these shades, I'm gonna use them on my inner corner and also on my eyelid area. So I'm using a brush to apply this, but I think applying it with a finger would really give a better payoff. I absolutely love this palette because it has such unique colors in it, and this color especially is so beautiful. It's called Gold Glitch, which is a really pretty pearl kind of a shade. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Iba Long Stay eyeliner. This is a really nice jet black color, and it also has a really thin precise tip, which is really good for precise application and also for wing liners. But for today's look, we are not going for a wing liner. I'm just going to line my eyes very thinly using this liner. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to use this shade, and I'm going to use it with a pencil brush. I'm just going to smudge it a little bit. And now for the waterline, I'm going to use the NYX 4 White in the shade Seashell. Now this is a really nice white, pinkish white shade, and it is great for your waterline. And next, after that, I'm going to use a eyelash curler to curl my lashes and coat them with some mascara. This is such a small step, but it really changes the entire look of your eyelashes and your mascara application. I would highly suggest you guys, if you don't do this, you should. This will really change your makeup game. And the mascara that I'm using is the Iba Black and Bold Mascara. Now you can definitely go ahead and rock this look, but I am also going to pop some lashes on this, and this will really make the look more dramatic. But if you want, you can definitely skip the lashes part and just go with 2 coats of mascara. I'll be linking the lashes that I used in the description box and also the glue. So if you're interested, you can check that out. So before applying the lashes, you want to wait for 30 seconds so that the glue gets semi-dry, and then pop the center of the lash to the center of your eyes, and then try to fix the side and then the inside corner. I'm doing the same exact thing with the other eye. And now to blend my natural lashes with the falsies, I'm just going to apply 1 more coat of the mascara. And to powder contour my face, I'm gonna use this palette from Kate Von D. It is the Shade and Light palette. And for my blush, I'm going to use the Morphe 9B Blushed Blush palette, and I'll be linking all the products in the description so you guys can have a look. And also the brushes that I used will be linked in the description box. And to line my lips, I'm going to use the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion Lip Pencil number 505. And I'm just going to line my lips just above my natural lip line. Also, I feel that lining your lips is very important in order to achieve a perfect lip look. now to fill it up, I'm gonna use the Zayn and Maiza Transfer Proof Power Matte Lipstick in the shade Wood by Nude, and this is such a beautiful brownish nude shade, and this is perfect if you are looking for a good nude. And with that, we are done with the Eid glam. Now I'm just going to open up my hair, and this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments how did you like this look and what do you think about it. Also, let me know what videos next would you like to see on my page, and I would be happy to make them for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.